Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. You can see on the screen hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are giving guidance to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Getting room type. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, and images missing category 4. Category 5. Category 6. The hotel itself usually credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 6 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies.